Hey guys, by now most of you already know what an AirDrop is. It's when a DApp distributes their tokens or coins for free to all EOS token holders. You've probably even got some of these tokens in your wallet already. I know I do, and free coins makes me happy. What you may not know is that there is a cost to these dApps to send you these free tokens, and it comes in the form of RAM. When RAM prices were at their peak, to do an AirDrop would cost upwards of $200,000. Now that's a lot of cheese just to send your tokens away for free. Even at today's RAM prices, the cost of doing an AirDrop is somewhere between $20,000 and $50,000. Money that most dApps would rather be spending on their projects. Now there was a lot of concern in the community that these costs were going to discourage or prevent entirely dApps from doing AirDrops. And it was because of that the guys over at Generios came up with a simple but efficient solution that's come to be called an AirGrab. Essentially, an AirGrab is an AirDrop where each individual recipient pays the tiny RAM fee to get their free tokens. It's kind of like sending an envelope to the dApp that's got the postage prepaid so that they can send you their tokens for free. Now it's different than an AirDrop because it does require action on your part. But the nice thing is with Scatter and the EOS toolkit, it just takes a couple clicks to go claim these free tokens. The guys over at Investing with a Difference made a great step-by-step tutorial of how to do this. I'll put that link in the comments below. Now that you know what an AirGrab is, get off your lazy butts and go claim those free tokens.